Today I'm making strawberry and white chocolate scones. A very sweet treat. If you can't find vegan white chocolate, these scones also work as plain strawberry scones, or as strawberry dark chocolate scones, or you can tweak the recipe to suit your taste, is what I'm saying. First of all, we're going to need some strawberries. Other ingredients are 200 grams of flour, 60 grams of sugar, 90 grams of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a handful of strawberries and 150 grams of vegan white chocolate. Now chop half the chocolate into small chunks and leave the other half aside for later. Cut up the strawberries and enjoy the lovely scent. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, sugar, coconut oil, soy milk, and about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir first and then knead until a smooth dough forms. Add chocolate and strawberries and fold into the dough. Get out a lined cookie sheet and form the dough into a roundish disc. Use a dough scraper to separate into 8 pieces. During baking they'll expand and reattach, but doing this now will make cutting later easier. For a pretty brown crust, paint the top with soy milk and sprinkle with sugar. Bake at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. For a white chocolate topping, get out a pot and bowl for a water bath and melt the chocolate. Use slightly lower heat than you usually would to avoid the white chocolate changing color. You guys, the smell, amazing. Allow to cool and separate the pieces. Then drip white chocolate. I like the haphazard look of letting it drip off a fork, but for a neater look, use a piping bag. If the chocolate has trouble setting, leave the scones in the fridge for a few hours. Then all that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?